Have you ever been in a situation where you deleted something in AutoCAD, and then you continued working, but then you realized
Arg!
you need that thing that you deleted? Well, don't worry. AutoCAD has created a special command just to undo the last deleted object. Basically, undelete. It's called oops. Now let's see how this command works. So, say you just deleted this object, and after that you continued editing this drawing. Now, you want to maintain the edits you've already made, but suddenly you notice that the object I deleted is to be there only. Is there any way to get the deleted object back? The answer is yes. No need to undo your important work done. No Ctrl+C. Just type the command oops and hit enter. That's it. Your last deleted object will restore without losing completed work.